We got him. I know a whole lot of people was frustrated, angry because they cheesed you. If they cheese you, hashtag A++. I was dying laughing, guys, when they released this code. Luckily, Ashley was the brains of the operation because if I would have had that code on the phone, I would have did that A++ at the end of the code. But hit that like button right here, guys. Cause we about to open up the pink diamond Camelo. Let's look at this beauty. And if you guys did not know, your boy Cash Nasty, the king of my team, the best there ever will be. You best believe it. Numbers don't lie. Your boy pretty minded, boy, the boy just pretty minded, man, look, bro, man, the boy just sick, man. The boy just sick, man. Look at the stats, man. Oh my goodness, bro, he's mine. He's mine. I cannot wait to use this card here, guys. Camelo got quickness. He got a little, ball content, but the dude is literally a LeBron James with better shooting because the dude ready to go. I play against so many people with this guy here, man. This guy here drives to the rack and dunks on people like it ain't nothing. The mid-range is just damn near perfect, guys. The king of my team got Carmelo Anthony. What's next? Hope you guys enjoyed the video here, guys. We got to do the stats right here, man. Thank all you guys so much, man. Follow me on Twitter, guys. But that was funny, guys. You got to admit it, man. That was funny what happened on Twitter, the A++ cheese. I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, yeah!